We've all been there. You drop over $1,000 on a high-end robot vacuum. For the first couple of weeks, it's amazing, it's fast, it's smart, and your floors look great, but then a month later, you notice it's leaving crumbs behind or the carpet doesn't look quite as deep cleaned. You clean the filter, you check the brush, but the power just isn't the same. That's called suction decay, and it happens to almost every robot vacuum on the market after just about 20 days. Dust clogs the internal airflow and performance drops off a cliff. Today, I'm partnering with eufy to put their brand new eufy Omni S2 head-to-head against the Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra. Both of these bots claim massive 30,000 Pascal suction, but eufy's making a massive claim here. They say the eufy Omni S2 maintains peak performance for 365 days. That's 15 times longer than the competition. The Omni S2 has a revolutionary AeroTurbo 2.0 long-lasting suction, HydroJet 2.0 Self-Clean Roller Mop that actually sanitizes the floor for your family's health, and it can climb massive 5-centimeter rugs. It's about 2 inches. Let's find out if this is the ultimate long-lasting deep clean. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we'll talk about the design. The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra, it's a nice looking piece of tech, very modern, very clean, but it's basically a white box. You can't see what's happening under the hood. Now, if we look at the eufy S2, the design language here is visible tech aesthetics. You've got this awesome translucent top cover where you can actually see the tech inside. It feels more industrial and more premium, but the coolest part has to be the glowing star ring light, which gives you real-time feedback. When it's in standard mode, you get this cool blue light, but when you kick it into max mode for a deep clean, it turns purple. To me, it just looks futuristic, almost like a piece of decor in the living room, whereas the Dreame just kind of blends into the background. I also really like this new addition to the S2. It isn't just cleaning the floor, it's also freshening the air. This includes air fragrance. I popped in the bamboo and sage module, and it eliminates those dusty vacuum odors and leaves the house smelling fresh, which my wife absolutely loves. The Dreame cleans well, but it doesn't leave that signature scent behind, which is a great extra perk of the eufy. All right, let's get a little nerdy with the specs because this is where the S2 really stands out. Both of these robots boast 30,000 Pascal of suction, and on paper, they pretty much look the same. But here's the major difference. The eufy S2 features AeroTurbo 2.0 long-lasting suction. Eufy is the only brand in the industry putting multi-cone cyclone technology directly inside the robot itself. Usually you only see this in the docking station or big cordless stick vacs. Multi-cone cyclone technology can increase air velocity, delivering higher air watts, giving this the industry's first and only 100 air watt. This represents real cleaning power and the ability to effectively move debris. The filter is also less likely to clog after cleaning debris, meaning it stays cleaner longer, so the suction doesn't decay over time, leading to long-lasting performance. According to laboratory tests, this is able to maintain peak cleaning performance for 365 days. Why does that matter? Because on standard bots like the Dreame, dust quickly clogs up your filter, killing your airflow, which leads to reduced suction efficiency, which means your vacuum leaves debris behind over time. Now, I simulated a full month of use on both brand new units. I placed a full home's worth of dust, dirt, and other debris in each of the test boxes and sent them both out to clean. At first, both vacuums were able to easily clean up their respective mess. I checked the filters midway through the simulation at 5 cycles, or about 2 weeks of simulated use, and it was clear the AeroTurbo 2.0 technology was working to maintain airflow, while the Dreame filter was already well clogged, and this is where things begin to deteriorate for the Dreame vacuum. During the 6th through 10th cycles, the eufy maintained its day 1 cleaning power as if it were cleaning on its first run, whereas the Dreame was obviously less powerful than at the start, and it actually began to leave those trails of debris and piles of sand and dust in the tray of the base station. The eufy absolutely obliterated the mess here. The suction power is just relentless. It's also rocking that 100 air watts of power. The best way for me to explain this is imagine a standard robot vacuum as a person straining to drink a thick milkshake through a tiny coffee stirrer. They're applying immense suction pressure in their cheeks, but the narrow opening prevents them from actually consuming any liquid. The eufy Omni S2 is like that same person switching to a wide-bore straw, where the 100 air watt rating represents the perfect synchronization of lung power and open airflow to gulp down the shake with high velocity. This distinction highlights why high static pressure alone is useless without the S2's ability to sustain the high volume throughput needed to actually clear the cup, or in this case, your carpets. It's unheard of for a robot. The cyclones separate the dust from the air so the filter stays clean. You don't need to clean the filter frequently either, making it more hands-free. If you want a machine that cleans as well on day 300 as it did on day 1, the eufy is the clear winner here. I've been using this vacuum for the past 2 months, and even after a few months, it still has 100% of the suction power that it had from the very beginning. Even after 2 months, the filter here is totally unobstructed. By now, you probably know that I have 2 different dogs, and of course, kids running around. Hair is a huge issue at my house. Both robots have anti-tangle brushes. The Dreame uses a dual brush system that floats at one end and is attached to the other. The S2's dual spiral brushes actively push the hair to the center of the 2 brushes where there's a gap, and the strong suction just rips it away. I spread out some hair on the floor here, and the S2 left 0 tangles on the roll. The Dreame also did an excellent job with removing the hair tangle free. But here's the most impressive part for my home. We do have a couple of thick rugs. The Dreame is rated to climb obstacles about 4.2 centimeters high, which is pretty good, and it can actually climb over thresholds and even onto my thickest rug. But the S2 has a chassis lifting feature. It physically lifts the front of the robot up by 15 millimeters, which allows it to climb carpets up to 5 centimeters. That's about 2 inches thick. It detects the rug, lifts up, boosts suction, and powers right over it without getting stuck, which means I don't have to go and rescue it. It was able to clean up cereal and M&Ms from this thick rug, whereas the Dreame immediately got stuck and finally gave up. I had to actually take it back to the charge base. When encountering tassels, thin carpets, or other carpet types, the S2 is also better able to plan the path to prevent carpet from being tangled or lodged in the robot. Now let's talk about the mopping. Both of these bots use a roller mop design. eufy was the first in the industry to use a roller mop, which means they had the experience, but eufy's upgraded this to the HydroJet 2.0 self-cleaning roller mop, and there are 2 key differences here. First is the corner-to-edge deep cleaning. On the Dreame, it does a great job, but the S2 automatically senses the wall and extends the mop about 15 millimeters to get right up against the baseboard. But does it actually clean? I dried some coffee and muddy footprints here. The S2 mop spins at 240 RPM with 15 newtons of downward pressure. It's scrubbing, not just wiping. I did a white cloth test here on the floor. I'm wiping right behind the robot, and the S2 left the white cloth perfectly clean. The Dreame also does a great job of cleaning up spills and stains, but you can see that it left a good bit of the mud behind as it wasn't able to fully clean the mop while it was cleaning the floors. If we check the actual cleanliness of the mop pad with a white towel, you can see the difference. The eufy uses double squeegee strips and 32 water injection nozzles to ensure the roller mop is instantly cleaned. And for the parents out there, this is a major win for eufy if you're concerned with sanitation. The Dreame does use hot water in the dock, which is great for cleaning the mop, but the S2 uses electrolyzed water. It turns tap water into a sterilizing agent that kills 99.99% of bacteria, like E. coli and staph, right on your floor. With the kids playing around the house, knowing it's actively killing bacteria while it mops is huge peace of mind for me. Finally, we'll talk about the brains. Both robots use AI, but eufy's CleanMind AI System is the world's first fully 3D and AI-based mapping technology. It uses 3D matrix obstacle avoidance to recognize more than 200 small and high-position objects. This is the tricky stuff that other bots usually miss. I threw down some cables and shoes, stuff that the kids leave out, and it navigates around them without getting tangled. The Dreame can recognize more than 240 objects, but uses less advanced 2D obstacle avoidance. I also tested smaller objects, both of which did miss this small quarter. The S2 recognized and avoided a pair of sunglasses, a set of keys, and my OnePlus earbuds. Dreame ran into and pushed all of the smaller objects, including the sunglasses, keys, and the earbuds. The eufy also has mop lifting. When it ventures onto carpet, it triggers a massive 28mm mop lift to ensure no cross-contamination. The Dreame also has mop extension, but is only able to lift the mop 14mm, though it does have the added benefit of a roller cover, which ensures carpets aren't stained by the mop. So what's the verdict here? The Dreame Aqua 10 Ultra is a solid machine, but if you're tired of robots that lose suction after a month, if you have thick rugs that other bots just can't climb, or you're worried about sanitation, And like the electrolyzed water, which helps maintain a healthier environment, the eufy Omni S2 is definitely the answer. That AeroTurbo 2.0 cyclone technology is a legitimate innovation for longevity, and the health-focused mopping makes it the complete package for a family home. If you want to pick one up for yourself, I have an exclusive code for my viewers. Use code eufy S2VIP to get $200 off for a limited 30 days. I'll drop that link in the description below. If you like this comparison, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech content like this. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.